Go inside, man. Okay. We are not doing anything illegal.
It's 4:50 and we're in the city yet.
1, 2, 3 coppers.
What was it? 3 cockles.
4:50 p.m. They are patrolling.
Every time I sleep and I wake up in a different spot, it's like waking up and being teleported somewhere else.
It's like a game for us.
It's like a game.
Pick a new spot where the key.
It's like a game.
How can we fuck up your day?
Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video right now. First of all, I just want to apologize for the first few clips of this week's video. It was really windy at night, and I really need to invest in a mic, I know. But yeah, my boy William did his exhaust on his Ford. Keith has installed some fog lights in his EVO STI, swapping over some coilovers to stock suspension on a Impreza. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, the boys are here. High tech. Ooh. We just got here. Let's start it up. Let's get over here. Take 2 seconds. Go. Rev it. Now we want to rev it. Rev it. Rev it. I think it's not loud. What is this? Oh! It pops!
Yeah, I told you that.
Hey, don't rev it, don't rev it. X-Force. Yo, baby. Again. Why is it popping? What is this? Keen to do my one now, man. I'm jealous. Nah, it's nice. Where are you going?
Come back down.
Go on then. Line up here. It's really shit lighting, but the boys are here. Got Kez just chilling here at Williamstown Beach. Got the 2JZ. Ooh. Oh my god, and the Underglow. We have to save yourself.
What camera am I supposed to say?
How many colours can you do?
Pick a color.
Purple.
Purple? Give me a second.
Oh wait, how many variations? I actually want to do one now.
Underglow.
Yeah.
You want to do an underglow?
Oh
Yeah, purple.
that is actually so nice. And we're the DC2. I like this kit. It's nice. I love it. What wheels are these? Oh my gosh. That's nice. What do you have a Love Heart Surikawa there as well, man? What are you copying me?
Someone else is going to have the same thing in a couple of days, or tomorrow actually.
We have a fellow subscriber. Show us your face, bro. I can't see your face.
What up?
Yeah. Oh, what are we doing now, boys?
Alright, chill for a bit.
Bro, I just realized this guy's plate is on the bumper. What the
It's painted.
Oh my god. Hello, brother.
You know, this mask is illegal. You need to wear a proper mask.
You're illegal.
Our cars are illegal.
No, it is not. Oof. We're literally here at
Albert Park. F1 track.
the Albert Park. Yeah, F1 track. It didn't run this year in Melbourne because of COVID, obviously. But yeah, this is it. What it looks like during night time. Oof. Yeah, I need to LED my lights ASAP. I did the Parkers already and the tail lights, just the right ones. And I changed my plate lights as well. It's a lot brighter. I don't know if you can tell, but the bigger circle is brighter because it's just one big globe. Behind this is 2 T10s. So we'll change that later on. Ooh! And the middle brake light. See? It's a lot brighter than the middle one. Yeah, you can see that on the camera really bad. Welcome back to the Zelo GHQ. What is Kez doing today? Hello, Kez. Hello, Kez. What are you doing today?
Install some fog lights. But,
We're doing
you know,
Oh my goodness.
And I made the mistake
What'd you
of
do?
buying the actual bezel instead of the glow. So I could have saved at least 60 bucks.
So he's talking about this thing. Basically like the case. He could have just popped that one out. But oh well, we live and learn.
Yep.
Also look at this wrap that he did.
Shut up.
He wrapped his mirrors, his roof. I think it's coming off here, man.
Yeah, I'm just gonna kill myself.
And his boot. Actually doesn't look that bad. The tank is just sitting there sleeping. It's very nice. It's a Saturday afternoon. There's a red STI in my garage. Jokes, it's just Sam.
What's good, motherfucker?
Oh yeah, man. What are we doing today?
We're taking my coilovers out.
Yeah, boy. So this looks actually this is exactly like Anthony's car, it's just a different color. It's clean though. This thing is slammed. I like it. So yeah, we're basically taking his coilovers off, putting the stock one back in because he's selling the RS and he actually has an STI. This rich.
Yeah, and I also have a car that is an STI too.
This rich boy.
Rich boy, my ass. Product of hard work and time, brother.
What time is it? We'll see how long this will take. So I don't have a low profile jack. I know I've said in the video I should invest in one. I probably really need to. But what we'll do, we'll use a stock jack, the one every car has, and we'll just wind it up.
It's a manual labour, brother.
Hey, that was a mission doing that.
Oh, bro, that was a fucking mission.
Oh, it keeps you here too. So we got it back on. Are you tightening or loosening?
That's right beside it.
So you want to go left and loosey?
Should be left and loosey, I'm just talking about.
How's your new toy, man? What is it?
It's a sanding tool. And I just sanded my...
Check out his fogs. It looks so much better.
I'll turn it on just at night.
It's not even connected. What are you like?
It's connected.
Hey, show us a bit of polishing.
Just look at the front. Don't worry about the
It looks nice.
Is it actually? I can't. Oh, I see it.
Let me just wipe it down a bit.
It's not bad. We're nearly there. 3 out of 4 now. 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4.
An hour each one.
Yeah, that's your fucking transition, boy. Shush. Actually looks nice in this week. You got a bit paint chips and that. So you got a little correction
Red,
tub for paint?
blue,
no.
white.
Like Mitsubishi, you can do like a little 50mm tub for like $80 or something. And you just put it in. It's like that's
Yeah, send it.
Yeah, I'll just send it.
Happy days.
Bro, I'm so happy about that.
Coilovers are off. He's actually selling the car. How much? Without coilovers. With STI rims.
With the rims and a roadworthy around the 9k.
How many rego?
Hey, with Rego?
Yeah.
It's got Rego till March.
March next year?
Yeah.
How many Ks?
148,000.
So message me if anyone's keen. Alright. But this is what it looks like now on stock. It's like a 4x4 now. Oh my goodness. This looks so much better.
What about you? Is it just like...
Yeah, just slap it. See you later. Thanks for making it all the way to the end of this video today. Really great news for Melbourne. Tonight, our restriction will be easing up even more, meaning we're allowed to go further than 25 Ks within our home. You're gonna have visitors over, and yeah, all the shops are back. I'm really happy for that. Everything's going back to normal. Now, it's already been a week of me owning the coupe, and I'm already in love with it, and it's already so much better than the sedan. It's lighter, it already handles better, even without coilovers, which I'm gonna put later on. I don't know which one to get yet. Yeah, really happy with my new toy. So the TIG is the daily now, and we're driving the 34 on the weekend. I'm not sure what wheels to get, but I'm gonna go white on white and paint my calipers again. I don't know what color yet though. If you haven't already, please click that sub button below. For 10 years, good luck. Help your boy out to 1K. Really trying to make it here. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, boys. boys. The lineup, boys.